Let's check out the team. Here we go. We already got the floors prepped and sanded down. Stay tuned.
Sand. You can see how, look how smooth that is, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we're blue taping the edges to get ready to stain it. Man, this is so beautiful. Love it.
Alright guys, we're at again. We are putting down the stain. Everything prepped, ready to go. As you can see, the main tech here is putting it down. That dark walnut is going down. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, guys. So that's transparent. See this wood grain spot? Edge work down here. See?
Don't forget, if you need the service, reach out to us. Got you covered. And then when this dries, we'll come back in the morning and put the first coat of poly, and then come back the fourth day and then put another top coat, and all should be good. As you can see, it's responding well. Got the floor leveled out. Looks good, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And remember, we got you covered. Alright guys, one little sneak peek. As you can see how gorgeous it's looking. Turn it out. Transparent. Let's put it down now. You guys are hard at work. We got the project manager on site as well, so these guys are really in tune. As you can see, all is well. Alright guys, appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube, right here, AOCleaning. We're at it again, as you can see. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like after we apply the stain. This is the dark walnut, and then my guys are going to apply the first coat of polyurethane here in a minute. And then we're going to let that dry, because this is oil-based, and then we'll come back tomorrow and apply the second coat after we buff it out. So, looks good, guys. The client's going to love it. He's so excited. And again, if you guys need a service, reach out. We offer both options. We offer a dustless option and a sanding option. The difference between the two, as you guys know, is the time frame and the cost. This is a full restoration, so this process takes 3 to 5 days, because you have to sand it all down to smooth it out, stain it, and then repoly it because it's oil based. And then if we do this dustless, all we're doing is screening off the protection. We're not taking off any wood. So that's half the cost of sanding, and we can get you done in a day. But in this case, this is a full sanding restoration, so it takes us 3 to 5 days. Typically doing the service every 20 years with proper maintenance care. So, all right, guys, it's gonna do it. Stay tuned for some more results, and as always, pay the fee, guys. Hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe. This will be a blessing to you, and I'm confident it will add value, I promise. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Got the first coat down. Now it is glossy, but it will dry. It will turn to a satin sheen. It will come back with another coat on. So it looks like glass now, but it will dry. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the bell and pay the fee. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and and follow us and like us on Facebook. And of course, we're also on Instagram and things of that nature. But again, appreciate your support. And we encourage you, if you need our service, reach out. You'd be glad you did. And as always, thanks for watching.